Stay tuned, I'll be showing you a little extra upgrade to this recipe later in the video.